If you are wondering what is the IP rating of OPPO Find X9 Pro, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So the IP rating on OPPO Find X9 Pro is IP69, however the official rating is actually IP68. So on the OPPO website we can find out that the maximum IP rating permissible for display in the Eco Design parameters is IP68, although this product has been tested and meets the IP69 standard for high pressure, high temperature water ingress protection. Only the IP68 rating is displayed in this interface to ensure compliance with applicable requirements. So if you see that OPPO Find X9 Pro has IP68, then, well, it actually is IP68 and IP69. The phone has been tested for IP69, which is not officially labeled as such. So yes, the phone seems to be at least partially waterproof to some degree, of course. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.